friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about a best shampoo and conditioner that makes your hair soft, shiny, healthy and repair damage. Shampoo cleans the hair and scalp and removes the excess sebum in the hair follicles. They act as cleaning or foaming agents that wash impurities out of the hair. The ingredients in shampoo is similar to what is used in soap. However, the ingredients in shampoos are manufactured to be gentler on the hair and protects the outer layer of the hair from damage. Conditioner reduces the amount of friction caused to strands of hair during brushing or combing. Use proper conditioner for a specific type of hair. In this video, I will talk about Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser Shampoo and Conditioner and my experience with this shampoo in the last of the video. So keep watching till the end. This shampoo is for hair distressed, damaged with amla oil extract. The formula helps rebuild strength to intensely repair damage from daily brushing, heat styling, repeated coloring, or chemical treatments. It cleans the scalp from deep and the hair will feel smoother and easier to brush out. The price is unbeatable for how well it works, only $6. When you go away to the beach, the hair will get dry and damaged from the salt and sun. This shampoo and conditioner repair your hair, reduce hair fall and also remove dandruff. All in one piece. My hair was so damaged and now it's silky and soft. It has a great scent and the strengthening treatment is awesome. It leaves my hair shiny and silky. If you have thick hair, this duo is definitely for you. Your hair will be shinier and bouncier after one wash. The shampoo has shimmer in it too. Helps improve the condition of the hair so that it feels better to touch. This shampoo contains proper vitamins, oils, minerals and botanical extracts to stimulate the hair follicles and scalp. The conditioner is superb. Anyone who washes their hair should probably also use conditioner. Especially dry hair should be regularly treated with conditioner to improve the hair appearance. This conditioner has a lot of natural nutrients needed to keep hair dry and healthy. In my experience, it leaves my hair sleek, shiny, soft and in excellent condition. I just can't stop touching and feeling my hair. I am so loving it. This is the only shampoo and conditioner combo that works on my hair. After first use of this shampoo and conditioner, my hair is super soft and smooth. Does not leave residue. The first thing that hit me was the scent, which I love. They did exactly what you would expect. One made my hair squeaky clean and the other smoothed it all out. Just scoop some shampoo out, apply from root to tip and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes while you shave your legs or read a book. Then wash your hair in the shower, rinse out all shampoo. Then use the amount of conditioner recommended on the bottle. Spread it evenly on the ends of your hair. For long hair, spread it from chin level and down. Don't apply conditioner to your scalp. Let it stay on your hair for a moment. Then rinse off your hair and wrap your hair in microfiber towel until it was time to blow dry. Your hair will be well maintained, great smelling, moisturized and shiny. This combo got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon, Walmart and other websites. If you are searching the cheap shampoo and conditioner that works effectively, then buy this combo without hesitation. If you have any question, write in the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.